Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to this amazing channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make popcorn with your stove or your gas cooker and your pot. So if you want to know how I made this popcorn, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, let's get started. Here I have all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have my 3 tablespoons of sugar. I have my 3 tablespoons of margarine. I'm using a salted margarine, so I won't be using salt for this popcorn. Then I have my 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. I have my popcorn. I've already selected it and removed the things that are not good. So I'm using 1 cup of popcorn for this recipe. Then I will also be using my vanilla flavor. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So guys, let's get started without wasting time. So the first thing I'll do is to on my gas cooker. Then I'm going to wash and clean my pot very well. So here is my pot. I've already placed my pot on my gas cooker. So the next thing I'll do is to add my margarine into the pot. Then I will use my spoon to stir it so that my margarine will melt very well. So guys, the next thing I'll be adding to my margarine is my 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So I'm going to divide my sugar into 2 equal parts. I will also add half part of it. Then I will add my popcorn and start stirring it. So I will continue stirring my popcorn until I get my first and my second pop. Once I get my first and my second pop, I will now cover my pot and allow my popcorn to start popping. Hi guys, so continue stirring it and exercise a little patience until your popcorn starts popping. It might take a little time, but just keep stirring it. Hello guys, please do not cover your pot if you have not gotten your first and your second pop. Allow your popcorn to pop first and second before covering your pot. Hi guys, as you can see, I just got my first and my second pop, so I'm going to cover this pot and allow my popcorn to start popping. Hi guys, as you can see, our popcorn is popping. Please, if you find this video helpful, try and give us a thumbs up, share, like and comment on our video. Hi guys, as you can see, our popcorn is ready. So I just sprinkled my remaining sugar and my milk. I will shake it together so that everything will combine. Enjoy your popcorn. Please, if you like this recipe, do well to give us a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Share, like and comment on our videos. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. We really do appreciate you. Guys, our popcorn is ready. So sweet, crispy and yummy. Try this recipe and tell me if you love it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.